What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. I just got these in, the Pena X-Series Mula. Really cool packaging, comes with a sticker. A Pena X-Series huge cleaning cloth. Gigantic. And then we have the Mula. Previously, Enrique, he does this not in a production version, and it's a front flipper. This is a thumb stud option. So he had Reate produce these with the thumb stud, M390 satin finish blade, titanium, bronze pivot collar. Great action, super smooth. Titanium clip. These are sweet. Just got these in. I don't have many, and he's only doing, I think, one limited run of these. So if you guys are interested in one of these, go to EKNIVES.com. This is the X-Series Mula from Enrique Pena. EKNIVES.com. Thanks, guys.